Wagwan, my friend. How you guys doing today? And at this one, yeah, we're making something nice, simple, and easy. Some jerk honey wings, okay? So if you guys want to see it, come on and watch the video, okay? All the ingredients will be in the description. And you just use your judgment to how much seasoning you want to put on there. Because my taste is not your taste and your taste is not my taste, okay? So if you guys want to see how this turned out, come on and watch it. I showed you everything that we needed. We're going to put this in the air fryer to get it nice and crispy. But the first thing I did, I air fried it for 20 minutes on 325 and then 10 minutes on 375 just to crisp it up. I didn't want it to cook too fast. That's why I did 2 times. So here it is. It's all done. Now we're just going to make our sauce. We're going to use 3 tablespoons of butter, put it in a pan, melt that down, and we're going to use 2 tablespoons of the jerk seasoned marinade and 2 tablespoons of the honey, raw honey. But you guys, if you don't want it too spicy, just use 1 tablespoon, okay? You want it more sweeter, you add more honey. You know, you just taste it as you go along and see how you like it, okay? I did too. It was good for me. It had a kick, make you go, you know. But could it be a little bit sweeter for some people? Maybe, but I didn't want it too sweet. So that 2 tablespoons was good enough for me on the honey. So this didn't take no time. It take probably about 5 minutes to make this look a sauce, and it was done. You put your chicken in there, you know, coat your chicken really good, and it's done, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, you know, like, share, subscribe. And I really appreciate each and every one of you that watches, each and every one of you that comments, and continue to share out the videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful and amazing day. Bye.